Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about field stripping the Cherokee pistol and maintenance. First thing you want to do is make the pistol safe. Disassembly starts by getting the two dots on the slide and on the frame in line with one another. It's easiest to do it when the hammer is cocked back and in such a way. Remove the slide stop from the right hand side by pressing it in. You can use some kind of a tool to do so. Remove the slide stop and the slide runs forward. Remove the guide rod and spring and the barrel. Clean the slide of all the residue as well inside the frame. Lightly oil everything and reassemble. Barrel comes in first, guide rod and spring, couple the slide onto the frame. Once again, get the two dots in line with one another and press in the slide stop. We're ready to go.